Ever noticed your cat slowly blinking at you? That gentle eye gesture is often called a cat kiss. It's their way of showing trust and affection, signaling that they feel safe and relaxed around you. When you return the slow blink, you're speaking their language, strengthening the bond between you and your feline friend. This simple yet powerful gesture reveals just how emotionally connected cats can be. Want to uncover more amazing cat secrets? Follow Cat Dynasty and dive into the fascinating world of felines.